Think I'm doing it. I think I'm doing it, y'all. Think I'm doing it. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your girl, Chrissy M, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing an all-natural makeup glam. Okay, seriously, on a day-to-day basis, I do not be doing full face beads. Like, literally, my makeup is like the bare minimum. So we're gonna do a natural makeup look today, and I'm so excited because this kind of gives me a time to be able to sit down and kind of chat and kind of walk you guys through the products that I use on a day-to-day basis. So if you are new to this channel, hey, what's up? Welcome to your girl's channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos. And let's go ahead and get into this video.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford. Okay.
So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Glow recipe. This is their Pore Tight Toner. This is one of my favorite products from them, and I'm going to apply it to my face. I like to make sure that I have like a nicely hydrated, you know, skin when I am applying anything to my face, or before I apply anything to my face. It just helps my skin like so much better, literally. And I'm gonna let this sit before I go ahead and get into the eyes. I then like to go in with the Inky List. This is their Bright Eye Under Eye Cream, only because I have darker circles and I like to just keep it nice and hydrated. It also gives it an instant brightness to the eye so it doesn't look so dark. Oh my gosh. I need to get more sleep, but relatively I need to go to a doctor so that way I can get the proper cream or ointment to reduce this darkness underneath my eye. So until then, this is going to have to do. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty. This is their Pro Filter Concealer shade 420. I am going to use the foundation and also the primer to get my face set before applying anything else to the face, but this is going to be my base for my basic eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the HUDA Beauty. This is their Caramel Browns palette. It reminds me of their Nude Obsessions palette. And I'm just going to use this color right here. Excuse my nails. I'm going to use this shade right here and place it all over my lid. Okay, so I went ahead and added a wing liner to my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara before I add on my little natural lashes. If you guys want to see a makeup tutorial, or if you want to see a tutorial on the winged eye, definitely let me know and I will create that. It's a very tedious process, so that's why I did it off camera. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to apply my lashes on camera. I normally never do because it's just so difficult, but let's see. I'm gonna use my mirror. I'm gonna look down. I'm just going to apply them. These are the Ardell texture lashes, so they're very natural. Okay, I think I'm getting somewhere. I think I'm doing it. I think I'm doing it, y'all. I think I'm doing it. I be trying so hard not to get glue all over my freaking face. It is so difficult to put down lashes, but I figured like if you look downward and you put your lashes on, like you'll have great placement and it'll be easier for you. Okay, I think that's good. Let's do the other one. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply this is the Fenty Beauty, their Pro Filter primer. It's a matte primer for my oily skin. I love this primer. I really do. Okay, so as far as foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty. This is their Pro Filter matte foundation. It is my favorite. I love this foundation. It just works so well with my skin tone. It matches my skin tone pretty good. So let's go ahead and apply it to the face. And I'm just going to use a beauty blender. And the way that I'm going to apply my foundation is I'm going to apply my foundation around my dark under eye because we are definitely going to conceal that with the concealer to match the foundation. And the only reason why I'm placing it around my dark under eye is because I do not want any creasing up underneath the eye. I want it to look as natural as possible, and I find that when you apply foundation up underneath the eye, it can cause some type of creasing, you know, after a while. So just applying it around. So applying it after I apply my foundation is best. Okay, so I'm just lightly tapping out the concealer up underneath the eye. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Bakery. This is their Pinch of Flour. This is the shade Plantain, which is caramel. I'm going to apply it up underneath my eye where I placed that concealer. I really like this. I have another shade. It's a little bit darker, but I feel like it blends in with my skin too much, so I don't like to like use it all the time. So in place of it, because I do like to have like a little bit of a brightness underneath the eye, I was like, let me go ahead and just grab a shade lighter and use that, almost like a banana powder up underneath the eye, just to give me like a little brightness, because I do have a darker under eye and I don't really want that to, you know, peek through. We want to brighten the under eye. We really do. And I love their Pinch of Flour setting powder. It is so nice on the skin, especially if you have brown, melanin skin, dark skin. This is perfect for you, like literally. Give you like a natural like brightness to your face without overpowering. It looks so freaking good. Looks good. I love it. Okay, so I do like to apply a bronzer to the face, and today I'm going to be using the HUDA Beauty. This is their Glowish bronzer. And I have this shade Deep Tan. I'm so off today. Christy, get it together, girl. Get it together, Christy. Just putting it where, you know, the sun hits to kind of give me like a nice little warmth to the face, because this is a natural makeup look, but also you want it to be like nice and natural. Like you want to have some type of a glow to you. Like you just came from outside and you're like, hey, what's up? I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. So I want to do a highlighter, but I just want to keep my highlight like at a minimum. I don't want my highlighter to overpower my whole makeup, because it's supposed to be like a nice natural, but again, I do want that sun-kissed glow, that natural glow. So we're gonna go in with the Catrice More Than a Glow highlighter. This is one of my favorite like affordable highlighters I love to use. It's a pretty golden color. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my face right now. Okay, so I'm almost done. I went ahead and I added the Buxom. This is their lip liner. It's a new lip liner by Buxom. It's supposed to like literally like feel and plump your lips up like with the quickness. When I tell you that this is the creamiest of a lip liner that I've ever used, this is so creamy. I love it. It's really good. I've actually used some products from other brands before with the same type of a tip, and it normally breaks. This one did not do that at all when I applied it, and I absolutely love how creamy and the texture of it is. So definitely, we're gonna now go ahead and get into adding the lipstick to the lips, because I like to do like a nude combo with my lips, like, you know, chocolate lip liner and then like a nice like nudie lip gloss or lipstick. I normally go for like more of a lip gloss. So Buxom also had their new like, it's almost like a, what can I say? So Buxom brought out some of their most popular scents from like, I guess the seasons or whatnot. And so this shade that I have is Spiced Vanilla Latte. And so I'm like, I need to try this. I've been really wanting to try it because I love the color. First and foremost, let me show you. It's gonna look so good with this chocolate. Oh my gosh. And on top of that, it smells just like Spiced Vanilla Latte. It smells so good and yummy. Like I just want to eat it. So we're gonna apply that to the lips now. Look at how gorgeous that shade is. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this combo. This is perfect for fall. Y'all know fall is right around the corner. This is going to be perfect. A perfect little combo for that. Woo! Let's go ahead and get to the final steps, y'all. I'm so excited. All right, so to finish off this look, I absolutely love the Urban Decay. This is their all-nighter spray. This is the matte all-nighter spray. Let me try to focus. Okay. This is my favorite. If you're looking for a setting spray that's gonna set your place, your foundation. If you're looking for a setting spray that's going to set your foundation in place all day long, this is it for you. Between this one and the other original, I mean, they're fire. They're so good. I use them every day, literally, and my makeup is never messed up. So now I'm just going to spray this on my face. Woo! Alright, so that's going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm trying to get back on here and do makeup looks, makeup tutorials, things that you guys are actually wanting or actually looking for on YouTube. So I wanted to come on here in like a nice natural makeup look and show you guys, you know, how I just do like a simple basic look on a day-to-day basis, nothing too fancy smancy. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you are new to my channel, you made it to the end of the video, hey, what's up? Welcome to your girl's channel. Hit that subscribe button and I post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos, because you're not gonna want to miss anything that I bring. So I will see you guys in my next video.
Life is what you make it. Life shit been amazing.